Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and today I'm sharing with you the book that I made for Vivaan while we were traveling. And the book is called Here We Go, and it's a simple white book that I've taken for Vivaan. And all the questions and all the information that we have in the book is related to the travel. So quickly, without any wasting time, I'm going to take you guys in. So this says the country. He needs to write the country that he's going in, the travel dates and place, departure from US, halt in, arrival in, and when. Make a line showing the journey at the halt. So he needs to show like from US to Dubai to India, and in India, if you could specify which state we are going, then it'll be great. Then you have questions like know more about your flight number, seat number, airlines, country of origin, then your pilot name, where is she or he from, flight attendant's name. So flight attendant's name, it's not something that is going to come to him naturally. He has to go and talk to. So it's basically for him to strike some conversation with different people on the flight and for him to ask them about their names and also then introduce himself. So I think it's a pretty great way to spend so much of time on the flight, except just watching the TV, playing games, or like doing something with the family. It's good to go and talk to different people. In-flight entertainment game that you are or have enjoyed playing. Make a picture of anyone, which I think he's not gonna make any picture. Time for your meal. What's so special in the meal? Make a funny, illustrate, try to show their emotions. So whatever he's gonna be eating, he will be making the emotions for that. Okay, so then you have co-passengers. Talk, take a walk and observe what are the kids doing in the flight. Say hi to a few and introduce yourselves. Where have you landed? Which continent, which country, what time have you landed, and the flag. So basically we are landing in Dubai, that's the halt, and I think that's what he has to write. So Asia, United States of United Arab of Emirates, sorry. Sorry. What time you landed, whatever the time of the landing, and then the flag. So basically everything to revolve around the trip, the state, I mean the capital, whatever we are doing throughout the trip. I mean that's what I have done in the book. It's very generic. I mean you can surely adapt of whatever you are doing, whatever you're covering, but there are good points for you to like take cues and you can like build up the story about that. Now, which part of India are we in? Name like state, city, hotel. How far was the hotel from the airport? Use GPS to see the distance. So this is a great way because he likes to use the GPS, so I want him to try that out. Write the tourist spots you have seen or planning to see. I'm giving him both the tenses because sometimes it happens that he does not want to write at that particular moment, so he might have to uh, just store the information with him or ask me or my husband at we might have to remind him where all he went, and then he might have to write it. So I'm keeping it open. He can write immediately after coming back because he has already read the questions. So in case if he forgets, I can totally help him with that. Okay, food and tasting restaurants, cuisine and eating style, restaurant names and cuisine. So we are going to try different kinds of food. Try eating on the banana leaf. That's something that we are looking forward to. Then look around the hotel. How many restaurants are there? Locate the pool area. Let's take a dip. Let's find the cafeteria and has something chocolate to offer. Let's scribble here. Do you want to share? What do you want to not? Okay, sorry. Share. What do you find not so interesting here? Let's go shopping. What did your mommy buy? Did you bought anything? How about no shopping? Another flight to Delhi. When, from where to, departure time, landing time, where are you going, whom will you be meeting, are you excited. Talk in Hindi is the first plan to do. Okay, charity time. Remember to share the chocolates and give biscuits to at least 6 kids. Ask their name and be kind to them. Meeting old friends, new friends, write their names. Vivaan has got some chocolates to share with his friends. I think I have to give it to him. So he's picked up a big box and he wants to share it with the kids and want to give biscuits because we tend to find a lot of people in need in India along the roadsides. So rather than giving money, we always try and give a lot of food to them. And so that's why we thought we will try and add this here. Okay, gracious gifts, be thankful. Write the gifts that you've got and send them a thank you message. So places you visit, food you ate, new experiences, something that you can draw or you can write pointers. I am not writing how many points or how many things because I want to make it fun and general, because if I'll tell him to write 3 points or 4 points, he gets carried away and then he says I don't want to do. And then I'm keeping like 3 or 4 pages open, like 2 or 3 pages open, so that every time if I see that he needs to do something else, I can quickly add up more topics and then he can finish that off. So guys, this was the book that I've made for him, that's called Here We Go. And if you like the video, do give me a thumbs up. My tongue is slipping. Whoa, okay. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe. This was a travel book, and if you guys travel somewhere and if you try and make it, do tag me, do let me know. And if you have any more suggestions, feel free to share it with us. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.